Hello everyone, my name is Rosen Caleb Ervina. Now we are gonna do the magnet experience for science. We have spoon, fork, lapis, silicone, paper clip, rubber band, piece of glass, compass, Philippine coins, and Japanese coins. This is all that we can do to magnet with a magnet. Let's test if the fork and spoon can be magnet. Yes, they can. Now let's put them here. Lapis is if good magnet or not. It's not magnetic. Silicone, if it's magnetic or not. It's not. Paperclip, is it magnetic or not? It's magnetic. Rubber bands, is magnetic or not? It's not magnetic. Piece of glass, is it magnetic or not? It's not magnetic. A compass, is it magnetic or not? It's not magnetic. Philippine coins are magnetic or not? Yes, they are. Yes, pang-good mo. Our Japanese coins are magnetic or not? No, they are. And non-magnetic. Let's see what is inside of non-magnetic. We have silicone and a rubber band and a Japanese coin made of nickel and copper. Now we have a compass made of plastic. Now we have a pencil made of wood. Now we have a glass shard from our window. Moving on to magnetic. We have spoon and fork, and we have Philippine coin made of steel and nickel. And moving on to paper clip made of steel. Thank you for watching.